Where is LIFW stock going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on MSP recovery stock? It's sitting at 620 and today is 35% down. Again, this was expected. With MSP recovery stock, like from a hard down perspective, it's very bearish, and I've discussed it in my previous outlooks. You can see I literally like to the dot, like even the breaks up here, and then after that, a continuation is down predicted in this video. And I'm not even lying. Again, you can go ahead and check it out. Another fact, I'm going to check it out with you. Make sure you don't think that I'm lying or whatever. And this is, I mean, I have thousands of predictions like this, like the same exact strategy. Yeah, this is the exact moment, right? This was made 1 month ago, 323 views. You, even in the video before that, which you can go ahead and search. You go videos and just go ahead and just search. You have an option to search my previous LIFW wins. Not wins, but just predictions, and you're going to see exactly like this is like like basically like a legit proof. You can like legit proof my channel to see if I'm legit or not. With LIFW, where's my prediction next? As I said, I'm definitely still expecting the liquidity to continue to deliver lower. Basically said that I'm going to wait for the week to see how that's going to close. Seems like it's not going so good right now because we're below the high. So again, still going to keep an eye on that. It's going to be interesting to see how it's going to move this week. But I would love to see how the weekly is going to close. If it closes below this is still a bearish weekly range. Therefore, we're going to continue to expect it to deliver lower. So it all depends on the weekly close of the candle. Now, let me know what is your opinion. If you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free, free of charge, 100% free. My students are loving it. You can go ahead and check out the free course below. It's going to change your life.